everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Gap factory try-on haul. If you have been loving the Gap, like the regular Gap, like me for spring, you need to check out the Gap factory because they have so many cute things, lots of things that are similar to Gap, better pricing, and just as good. So I have so many things to share with you guys. I will have everything linked down in the description box. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first up is this cardigan that I am wearing. I actually just saw one so similar on Madewell for a much higher price. This is 100% cotton. It is so thick, so good. It is such great quality. I am so impressed, and it's from Gap Factory. I just can't get over it. It is a kind of ivory and navy stripe here. I love the navy that goes down here, the gold button detail. It's so cute. It has slightly a cropped fit, but not super cropped, and not super boxy, but the arms are a little bit on the bigger side. You can kind of see how they drape a little bit, but I kind of like that. I think it's so cute for spring here. Such a great knit, and size-wise, I did go with a size small. Okay, next up is this linen blend shirt. I swore I got the matching shorts, and I looked through my order and I didn't. I think they have matching shorts, or maybe it's matching pants. I can't remember. I'll try to link them, but I have been wanting some like easy breezy button-up shirts like this, and I loved this one. I love the fit of it. First of all, it's like an oversized fit, and then I love the color. It is a light beige with the white stripe. I just thought it was really flattering and a different stripe. I actually just like wearing it out like this with a pair of jeans, but you can easily tuck it in. Size-wise, I did go with a size small. I do feel like it runs true to size. If I were to go with this extra small, it would have been too tight in my shoulders. So the small fits perfect, and I love it. I think it's so cute. All right, next up, another 100% cotton sweater. It is so good. This one's like even softer than the cardigan. The cardigan had a bit of that like rib texture, but this one is so good. I love this color, this light beige color. I believe it comes in 2 other colors as well. I love the high V-neck that has like this ribbing. It's kind of very high, but I like that. I don't like things that go too low. So this is just like the perfect accent right here. I've been seeing it everywhere this spring as well. I love the fit of it. Kind of has a boxy, little bit oversized fit, but not too long either. Oh, it's so comfy. It's just a nice, easy throw on. Size-wise, I also went with a size small on this one. All right, next up is this little crochet knit top. I love the stripes. I have tons of stripes in this video, but this is a white and black stripe. I loved the scalloped detail. I just thought it was so cute along the edges there. And then it is quite a bit of an open weave because it's that crochet. So it's not sheer because it has this like black detailing, but you can kind of see through in bits. So if you wanted to, you could totally layer a little cami underneath, but I thought it was so adorable for spring, and again, I went with a size small. Can I talk? Okay, next up, another knit, another 100% cotton sweater. I love this one. I feel like this is a beachy one, a great one as we head into the warmer months. If you're going on vacation, this is a great one. It is a navy and white stripe. It has like a texture to it, like a nubby texture, but it's actually on the thinner side and a nice lightweight one. I feel like this is a great one if you're going out to dinner, you're wearing a dress and it's a little bit chilly. You can throw this over your shoulders, throw it on. It's just a really nice, easy piece. I love it. I absolutely love it. Size-wise, I did go with the size small. Has this like slight boxy fit, but this is such a great one, I feel like, for spring going into summer. Okay, next up I got 2 different jackets from Gap Factory. I saw this one and I thought it was super cute. It's kind of like a utility jacket, which I feel like is a little dated. We saw this a lot in the 2010s, but this cream, like light ivory color is coming out in tons of jackets I've seen recently, and I like it. I think it's very fresh and light for spring, and I thought this was a really, really nice jacket. So I thought it was so cute. I love the cut of it. You can kind of cinch it in here. It has the big pockets. It's a little bit on the longer side, but not too long, and it's a nice lightweight layer. It's very, very soft and comfortable on. It doesn't feel stiff. I love it, and I can fit a nice little sweater underneath it as well. Size-wise, I went with a size small in it. Okay, next up is this cotton trench coat, and I totally feel like my mom had this in the 90s. I feel like she had a Gap, maybe like a light tan or like an ivory color cotton like long jacket like this, or maybe it was a little shorter. I don't know. I just feel like this is like old school Gap, and I love it. I loved the green color. It does come in a like tan color as well, but I loved the green. It is double-breasted here. It has a belt as well. It's very soft on, so if you're not one of those for those like crunchy trench coats, this is a cotton material. It's soft, it's comfortable. It has pockets here. It has fuzz on it as well. But I really, really like it. I think it's so cute. Again, I love the green color, but you can get it in the light tan too. Size-wise, I went with a size small. I do feel like it runs true to size. Okay, next up, I grabbed a pair of the very, very viral, like elastic waistband barrel pant. They have them at Gap Factory too, and they are amazing. However, I did go with a size small in them, and I 100% should have gotten extra small. So I think size down in them. I think they run really big, but they are comfortable, they are soft, they are a great cut. I love the elastic waistband and the drawstring. I had to really drawstring this one in, but definitely a size down. They do run a little bit big. I think they come in this green color and maybe a couple other colors. They're amazing. They're really good. I highly suggest them. I actually have another pair of pants that are the elastic waistband pant. I mean, who doesn't like that? That's so comfortable, right? Okay, these are the other pair of elastic waistband pants I got. They are the high-rise wide leg. I did go with an extra small in these. I feel like these fit a lot better through the waist than the barrel leg. So in the barrel leg, definitely size down. In these, size down. I think they work great. I am not sure about this stripe though. So these are like denim and a white stripe. So I kind of feel a little circusy in these. I don't know. I've seen so many girls in like striped pants and they're so cute, and then I put them on me and I'm like, these are wild. But I do like the cut of them. I think the quality of them are so nice. I mean, they're so comfortable. Like, these are great pants. I want comfy pants like this in every pair. And the length is really great for petites. It's not too long. It hits right at the top of my foot. It might be like a hair long on me, but nothing to worry about. They're not scraping on the ground. So super, super cute. I think these come in a lot of different colors as well. And again, size down. Okay, next up, I got this top in 2 different colors. It comes in white and black. I wanted to try them both because I love a good light, fluttery, embroidered, girly top like this. I don't know why I did that. But my mom always taught me, if you don't know what to wear, always wear a white top and jeans, and it always looks good. It doesn't matter what white top, just a white top and jeans, and it always looks good. And she's right. White top, jeans always looks good, and I always crave that in the spring and the summertime. And this one is really good. It is sheer. It is very sheer. So you can kind of see through it a little bit. You might want to wear a cami underneath, or just kind of skin tone undergarments, but it is a bit sheer, but I love the cut of it. I love this like eyelet detail. There's little eyelet details along here, and it's very flowy and lightweight. So, so cute. Size-wise, I went with a size small. I'm gonna throw on the black too. And here is the black one on. So cute. I just love it. And if you are someone who is like, I cannot do that white sheer, I don't like it, I don't like how see-through it is, try the black one. It's still sheer, but it's not like totally see-through because it is a darker color. So just try the black one, and it's adorable. Again, I went with a size small. Next up is this little matching set that looks exactly like a J. Crew one that I almost grabbed last year, much more expensive, and I just ended up not getting it. And I saw this one on Gap Factory for much less, and it's 100% cotton. I mean, Gap Factory, you are killing it. You're doing amazing. Keep doing what you're doing, please. I love this top. It is a very oversized kind of boat neck top with the navy and white stripes. definitely has this oversized fit. You can see a little slit at the bottom and a little bit longer. I remember the J. Crew one, just it looked exactly like this. And then little shorts to match, which have a nice elastic soft waistband, pockets. The length of it is not too short. It's comfortable. It is like a little bit of a thicker cotton. It's not super thick, but it's not like really thin like a t-shirt material. So it has like a bit of weight to it, which I think is so cute for spring. I just love it. So cute. 100% cotton. I mean, you just can't go wrong. All right, last thing from Gap Factory is a t-shirt dress. I love t-shirt dresses, especially as we go into summer. In summer, I just love, it's just easy. It's like throwing on a t-shirt, but it's a dress, so you don't have to put on bottoms. It's just all in one, and it's super comfortable. It's great for a swim cover up. It's great for just running errands. You can put sneakers, sandals, whatever on with it, and it looks good. I just love a good t-shirt dress. Anyways, this one is a navy and white stripe. Super affordable. I love the fit of it. I did go with a regular small. I did not go with a petite. I think they do have petite options, which is so great. But I love the fit of it. It's not too oversized, but it has a little bit of room. It's not suction tight. It's so incredibly soft, like so soft. And it's not super paper thin either. So I love that about it. It's just good. It's good. Comes in lots of different other colors as well. Highly suggest it. All right guys, so that is it for my very big Gap Factory try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.